And I met you by chance, sikujua you'll be my one. And I hate to admit, baby, unanichizisha kweli. The way she moves, I swear my day I need on.
Neighbor, who is that?
She's my girlfriend. Why?
Your girlfriend? I didn't know you have a girlfriend. I've never seen you with anyone here.
Oh, I actually do have one. She's my girlfriend, and we are more long distance relationship because she stays up country.
Oh, okay. So how often do you see her?
I see her like once a month. She comes through because she stays very far. She works in Imbara, so I send her transport. She comes through.
Hey, you even send her transport? You mean that girl can't invest transport to come and see you? May think if she wanted, she would, because that's the bare minimum. Anyway, I don't want to interrupt you. I probably found you in your romantic moments. I just come to find a place to hang my clothes because today is the day actually. Wait, where did she hang your clothes?
No, when I do my laundry, I hang here, but for she's not so much into washing, and she doesn't like doing that.
She's not into washing. Hey, wow. So me, where I grew up from, my mom told me you have to just wash your man's clothes. I think that's anyway. Since today I'm washing, maybe I should come and get your clothes and then I wash them together.
Oh,
yeah?
really?
Yeah, let me come and wash them.
We have someone who comes and...
No, neighbor, don't do that. I'm coming right now. You wait.
There's someone who comes and does our laundry.
Who uses a towel and leaves it down? Is this the towel you guys used?
Yes, but I was going to organize the stuff. She left, she was in a hurry.
Anyway, I'm going to wash it.
Yeah.
What's this? Is it also that?
Those are her clothes, they are clean.
These are her clothes?
She left, she was in a rush.
At least she should have folded them. What kind of lady doesn't fold her clothes? So she left them here for who? This is also hers?
Yeah, it's her dress.
Oh wow. Her favorite color is green, eh?
Yeah.
Usually girls who love green are clean. I don't know what happened to this one. Anyway, as long as you're happy, it's what you want. What about this?
This one is dirty.
Dirty, okay.
It's hers, but dirty.
It's hers, eh?
And this,
what's this?
That's the net for her wig.
Oh, for her wig.
Yeah.
She should have kept it at least here. No. I don't even understand how this lady left things like this. Small things like organizing a house. Yeah? Oh, let me first put this in the wardrobe.
Yeah. It's okay.
Let me just keep them. Is this the bed sheet you guys had last night?
Yeah, but please just leave it. I'm going to remove it and clean it.
I can't understand how she left a dirty bed sheet on. That's crazy. Anyway, let me just wash it. No, it's okay. No, it's fine. It's fine. It's dirty. Let me just take it for washing. I just don't understand how this lady. Anyway, I don't want to really poke my nose in things that are not my business, but because I don't know why a good man like you should settle for this. What detergent do you use?
Actually, we don't wash for ourselves, but my girlfriend always buys Ariel.
Oh, Ariel.
Yeah, she keeps saying that it removes stains in just one wash. So she buys it and we give it to the person who washes for us.
No.
Someone we pay.
Of course, everyone uses Ariel actually.
Hey. So she buys the Ariel.
Everyone uses it actually. Yeah, this is nice. Thank you. So she buys the detergent, but she doesn't use it. That's very funny. That's very funny. Anyway, neighbor, I think you should come to my house and give me company while I'm washing. What do you think?
Neighbor, I've never been to your house. I don't want to have any kind of...
don't worry. I stay alone. Actually, really stay alone. So it's okay. I'm just washing clothes and we just have a conversation. That's all. Just come.
Okay, if you say so.
Yeah.
I think let me hold for you.
No. Maybe you hold for me the area. Let me carry this myself.
Is it so heavy for you?
No, I can handle. These are small things. I can handle. But now for me, doing laundry is my hobby. I just do it. It's like therapy for me.
Oh, really?
Oh, what happened to your kanzu? It has a very tough stain. Do you see it?
The stain?
Yeah.
Actually,
Was it wine?
I went for some Mikolo last week.
You spilled wine on it?
No, I spilled soda on it. I don't do alcohol. I don't do wine.
You don't do alcohol?
I don't.
Men like you are very hard to get these days.
Oh, really?
It's very, very hard. Anyway, this stain shouldn't be our problem. Because with this area, I just have to put it for one wash. And this is the washing machine area. This area is going to remove the stain in one wash. You're going to see. By the way, do you know this?
this Downy. I just hear about it. I don't know what exactly it does, but I've been hearing about it.
You don't know Downy? Now let me tell you, after this area, removing that stain in one wash, this is the cherry on top. Because it's going to give your clothes that fragrance that is long, like literally everlasting. So you're going to be smelling. Whoever is going to pass you is going to say, whoever does this one's laundry knows what they are doing.
Really?
Yeah, but we both know it's not that girlfriend of yours. So let me put in the area. That's all.
Yeah, so as you wait for the whatever, yeah, so you stay here alone?
Of course, I stay here alone. I'm single.
Oh, really?
Yeah, good men are hard to get. That's why I'm shocked that that girlfriend of yours is treating you like that, and you're such a good man. Oh, actually, I think it's done.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's done. Just like
That was so fast.
Yeah. So let's see. Yeah, the stain is gone. See?
Really? The stain was here?
Yeah, it's gone. There's nothing.
Yeah, it's really gone, and
It smells good.
that's the Downy thing?
Yeah. So I wanted to see if as I wash these other clothes, I can put for you some food to eat so that you eat. Have
You
you
want to
eaten
cook
today?
for me?
Of course.
No, I've not eaten because she didn't cook.
She didn't even cook.
Yeah,
How does she
cooking
cook?
is not her thing as well.
Let me guess. She orders.
Yeah, we usually do take away.
I could tell. You see how your cheeks have become so fat, full of junk. Now I'm going to cook for you some organic food, home food.
Homemade.
So let me put these clothes so that as they wash, I come and we watch a movie together. Huh?
Oh, really?
Yeah, there are some movies.
This
that
is
came
her
out
dress, by
so-
the way.
This is her dress, eh?
Yeah.
Ah, interesting. Okay, let me wash it. Let me wash it. I don't know why she left for you dirty
It's
clothes.
okay.
Let me wash.